So they just came out here and pulled that off the nozzle. So this was supposed to be a little leg. You know, it's like with these printers, it's like they constantly require like just so much attention. These particular ones. This one here, when you go turn it on, it doesn't even turn on anymore. It's still like I was using it. I don't know, maybe a week ago, maybe a little bit less. It doesn't come on. It's a blank screen, and I was running the professional firmware on it, and here it is. Doesn't work again. And I'm so sick and tired of setting up the parameters on this printer, because every time that I have to reflash the firmware to it, I've got to change everything. So what I've been trying to do is actually keep the print bed and the physical switch like in the same spot with each other. So like physically, like this thing goes all the way down, okay? Would be nice if it couldn't go down too far. Like imagine if all it could do would be, to go to the right Z offset to where like, the hardware is perfect. So I don't know what happened here with this, but I'm just kind of like, between the unreliableness of the Sonic pad and all this. If I would have bought this and bought everything that I bought for this, I would be really pissed off, and I would just want to throw this crap into trash. But the fact is that the Sonic pad and the printers were all free. So, but realistically, I'm not trying to bag on the Enders, but they're pieces of shit. I mean, they really are. Compared to what you're going to have to pay for one of these today, this is a piece of crap. Absolutely 100% piece of crap. It's got a Bowden tube. It's got a crappy ass, there's PTFE lined in the heat throat. I mean, it's just a bunch of stuff. You get, no filament runout sensor. You get no dual Z access, for $200 something. And, the auto bed leveling on this is anything but auto, really. It's just a detection system. So, both of these printers fall under that category. Why in the hell would you ever spend that much money on a printer? Why? Why in the hell would you buy this thing for that price? That's absolutely fucking insane. And the only way that you would buy this printer for that price is because you just don't know any better. Because you can buy this one here for like $50 more. It's an SVO7. It's got Clipper. It's already all there. I mean, you can buy this one for like $60 to $100 more. Why in the hell would you buy one of these? Now, you'd have to be nuts. You really would. You'd have to be absolutely stupid and insane to buy an Ender 3 for $200+ and a Clipper pad. The Sonic pad, which is super glitchy. I'm on the latest firmware, by the way, too. But this thing is glitchy. It doesn't always... Clipper does it mainsail and fluid. You just like, the 1 minute it works. There's lots of latency. It just... I'm sure some of it's user error, blah, blah, blah. I use this Elegoo Neptune. I've got it in an enclosure. I get quality prints every single time. Occasionally I get a failure. It's usually my fault. Because I forgot to slice it properly or something, you know what I mean? But, these are just absolutely a pain in the ass. 100% pain in the ass. Now, I didn't start out on an Ender 3. And I haven't been doing this for a real long time. But I started out on these. And these are direct drive, a a Titan clone extruder, filament runout sensor, large print area, 32-bit touchscreen, you know, and they just print slow. So like, once you get them dialed in and you set the bed and you get the bed where it needs to be, they don't have a touch sensor. But once you get them set, as long as the bed is good, they print good every time. You just got to stay within their limits. But the same thing with this Sunlu printer. But these damn Enders, man, I don't know what the hell is wrong with them. They're like possessed by the devil. I mean, they're just like unpredictable. I know that's not everybody's experience because, I mean, I don't know. But Dave gave me these printers because Dave had a whole bunch of problems with these things. So, maybe I'm just being unfair, but I'm just really tired of wasting my time on these things. And I mean, like, I'm about to just go ahead and put them on the shelf somewhere else, put all the stuff up, and, you know, put the printer over here that works and actually get to enjoy printing things. I'm like, I don't mind tinkering, but these things are absolutely stupid. I mean, I won't mind tinkering and then getting it to work and then enjoying it. But when I tinker, get to enjoy it, maybe for a minute and then it breaks again, or it does something stupid again, like, that's not my idea of fun. And let's see, so I've so far spent like $60, I think. I bought a direct drive extruder. Well, no, more than that, like $7. So I've spent like about $100 on these printers. Because I bought a couple of these, and I bought the Z-axis, and with the direct drive, and I need to actually return the direct drive. I looked at it, took it out of the box, and said, no, I'm not going to use this. But these are the most frustrating printers. Everything Creality I've ever dealt with has been frustrating. I think they're just like a giant parts company.